Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're here to guide you on setting up your Android phone to access the lightning-fast 5G network. Whether you're a smartphone user or a smartphone, we'll walk you through the necessary steps. Let's get started. To begin, ensure that your Android phone is compatible with 5G technology. Secondly, make sure you have a mobile data plan that supports 5G connectivity. These two requirements are crucial for a seamless 5G experience. Now, let's activate access to the 5G network on your Android phone. Head over to the Settings menu, then navigate to Networks and Internet and select Mobile Network. Here, you'll find the preferred network type option. By default, your Android phone should have 5G network access activated. However, depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer, the options may vary. In Android 11, you can choose your default network preference. If 5G is selected, it will be the priority, switching to 4G or LTE if 5G coverage is weak. For those with limited mobile data plans, you can set a data limit and receive warnings to avoid exceeding your contracted data. In the same mobile network menu, you'll find the data limit and warning option. Configure it to ensure you stay within your data limits. If you're using an Android phone with two SIM cards, the first card will have access to the 5G network, while the second SIM will rely on 4G and previous networks. In the mobile network menu, you can specify which SIM card should be the default for data access. Activate access to the 5G network on Android. To do this, you will have to go to Settings greater than Networks and Internet Mobile Network. There you will find the preferred network type option. And there you have it, a simple and comprehensive guide to setting up your Android phone for 5G access. With the right compatibility, mobile data plan, and network settings, you'll be able to enjoy the blazing fast speeds of 5G technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and happy 5G browsing!